Hello, it's Plated. We're back again with a great recipe called Carne Picada. So Carne Picada, or in our neck of the woods, we may call it steak ranchero, if you go to Taco Bell or something like that. I was really feeling Mexican, and my favorite spot to go is on the other side of town, and it's in a gas station. So with the pandemic going on right now, I just decided to do it myself. And what I learned was these 7 seasonings that you start out with, which will incidentally will be in the description box below. Starts out with the ancho chili powder, the oregano leaves, the cumin, the coriander. We've got some light brown sugar and some salt and pepper. All of these ingredients will be in the description below. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. And remember, when you go out and look for this cut of meat, you probably won't find it at the normal grocery store. You can go to your Mexican grocery store or somewhere like Aldi's, or you can actually get a chuck roast and chop it up in little slivers and pieces. It stir fries very well. So step number 1, let's get the onions down. So we cut up real small, some onions, about a cup of onions, and say a 1/4 cup of jalapeno peppers. And we put those down into about 2 tablespoons of just vegetable oil. And we're going ahead and stir fry those off until the onions got a little soft. And then with the carne picada that we seasoned overnight and marinated, we start dropping it in bit at a time, because we want it to get a little brown and crispier and stay in the small pieces. So we chopped ours up a little bit more. This is a real fun recipe to do, and it's real easy. So the prep time is short and the cook time is no longer than 30 minutes.
I'm so crazy about you. I'm so crazy about you. Babe, we can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face.
And so we got the first set done, and we're gonna toss in some more of the carne picada mixture that we seasoned and marinated. And it came up to about 2 pounds total that we cooked off. And so we've got a heavy iron skillet that we're doing that in. You can do it in a non-stick skillet if you want. I just using the heavy iron skillet. And we've got this going on. And so we're gonna go ahead and cook this off a little bit longer. And what we did was we actually marinated it overnight with all those seasonings that I talked about. And we added some garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic in there as well. And so we've got, this is very flavorful and very, very good on your palate. So if you're looking for something different. And so you can see how it's looking. It's developing a little bit of gravy down in the bottom of the skillet. And that's when you really know that it's just about done. And so we're gonna go ahead and toss in some chopped tomatoes. Looks like maybe less than half a cup here of chopped tomatoes that we got in here, and we're gonna go ahead and get those incorporated and combine the meat mixture with that. And right here, it's looking very, very tasty. You can go either way with this right now. You can cook any of the Mexican dishes, whether it's a taco or a burrito, but we're doing a burrito. So we're gonna drop down the flour burrito, brown it off a little bit, and then start building our burrito.
Fall for your love when there's no gravity, gravity. Hop on this rocket ship, I got a blast. Girl, you're so confident. We don't need fast, need far. feel it so interstellar. When I'm with you, I swear I'm in heaven, baby. I'm so crazy about you. I'm so crazy about you. You can't blame it on me. Blame it on insanity.
And that's the money shot right there. Thank you for watching. Played it. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you like it.